This is David Miller. I'm an attorney at O'Connor Law, and I'd like to talk about workers' comp claims that occur with an individual who drives as part of their job duties. We can all think of the basic examples of that as truck driver, local delivery drivers, but there's also those folks that maybe are going for an out-of-office meeting, where you're exposed to other drivers on the road and may find yourself involved in a car crash that's not your responsibility. The first thing to remember is that workers' compensation in this circumstance is going to be the primary payer for the medical bills. Workers' comp will also be the primary payer for at least a portion of the wage loss. In addition to workers' comp, there's a few other insurance companies that will become involved in this claim. The first will be the insurance company for the vehicle in which you are driving, and then, of course, the insurance company for the vehicle that was at fault. The interplay of all of these different insurance policies gets complex very quickly. There could be, as we discussed, a workers' compensation claim. You could also have a wage loss claim through the insurance covering the vehicle in which you were driving at the time of the crash. And then ultimately the claim will be brought against the insurance company for the vehicle that was at fault in the crash. And in that kind of claim, depending on your tort selections, we're seeking damages that are not compensated to workers' comp or the insurance covering your own vehicle. To make things even more complicated, the workers' comp insurance company has a right of recovery against any benefits you might recover from any of the other insurance companies. That could be through the liability claim for the at-fault driver's insurance, could be through an uninsured motorist claim if one is available to you under the policy covering the vehicle in which you're driving. It takes a law firm to coordinate the effort and to find the way through this complex process to put the best result at the end of the day to the individual that was not at fault in the crash, the injured worker. And that's where we come in. At O'Connor Law, we have experts in workers' compensation and personal injury, and we can handle all aspects of workers' compensation claims that arise for those individuals who drive as part of their job. So if you find yourself in this situation, give us a call at 800-518-4LAW, or you can find us online at o'connorlaw.com.